Here I have OPPO R17 Pro, and let me show you how to enable here private safe on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here find and select settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the security. Scroll down again and choose private safe. So let's choose the passcode for a private safe. So you can use the pattern, digit number, or alphanumeric. Let me use pattern, for example the following one. You have to do it twice just for confirmation. Let's enter some backup method, some backup question, tap done, and here you can also use the following tutorial. You can enable the shortcut on your home screen. Let me do it, tap done, and here you've got the private safe right here. Here you can keep some photos, audio, documents, and other stuff. If you would like to quit it, let's just use the home button, and if you would like to now enter private safe, you need to find the icon. Let's draw the pattern, and that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.